triumphant Manipur team, which was recently crowned the champion of Junior Girls National Football Championship to 2024-25 Tier 1, was given rousing welcome upon their arrival at Imphal Airport today. Supporters, along with officials of all Manipur Football Association, felicitated the players with garlands and shawls. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of Imphal, Roy, lauded the players and coaching staffs of Manipur teams for bringing laurel to the state. He said Imphal will continue to train the junior girls team. Roy further maintained that he is expecting similar results from sub-junior girls and sub-junior boys team who will be competing in national football championships. It may be mentioned that Manipur junior girls team defeated Jharkhand in 2-0 in the final to lift the title of the Junior Girls National Football Championship 2024-25 Tier 1 for the record of 11 times.
Anantapurdagi akhoi junior girls champion oraga Imphal ki airport ta thorpada Imphal na welcome to bagaloina na moibu okchari manager coach amasung class ki kedi ne akhoi di minute 30 subuda red ama chap thokaga play tara dangna sanabada akhoi na Jakrabu 20 da thoiduna champion oirakpani makhata basu akhoi ki player singi Hona hapo oina akhoi coaching na chingba kai kai makha su chathakini hauji su sub junior boys and girls su kanna chathari sub junior girls na tar kunipan da West Bengal ki Brahmpur ki damakta ball thadokane junior su September 10 da Bengal tumka thadokane huji akan ba mawang da coaching na akhoi ki technical kanguna training piri